ever had the problem where the data in your rows should actually be in your columns and the data in your columns should actually be in your rows? So what you want to do is you want to switch the data around. Now let me show you how to do that in a few quick steps, and it is called transpose.
Let's say you have the data where you have your months going across and your regions going on the side. And what I want to do is I want to swap the data around. I want the months to be on the side and the regions at the top. Now in Excel, that is very easy to do. What you do is you select the original data, you press your Ctrl+C key to copy, you click where you want this data to end up, you right click, you click on the paste special button, this window appears and you select transpose and OK. And you end up with the data swapped around. Your axis has changed, the Y has become the X, the Y, and even the calculations on the side are still in place.